Hey, girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach, and let's have some fun. All right, so let's play Eliminated again. So I'm going to put down four cards. I want you to look at them and figure out which one really doesn't belong because it's a different number than the rest, okay? So here we go. I'm going to put down one card, two cards, three cards, four cards, okay? Take a look and see which one you think might not belong, that we should eliminate. What do you think? Any thoughts? So let's take a vote. Okay. If this is card number one, the fingers is one, the rec and rec counters is two, the 10 frame is three, and the dots are four. Show me the number that you think we should get rid of. Okay. So do you want to get rid of one, two, three, or four? Okay, so let's find out, okay? So let's see who's correct. On this card, we have five and three more. So that should give me five, six, seven, eight. Okay, so that's an eight. All right, let's look at card number two. We have five red, one, two, three, four, five, and three white. So that's five, six, seven, eight. That's also an eight. Eight is looking pretty good right now. Eight is great. Okay, here we go. How about this one, card number three? We have five on top, five dots on top. One, two, three, four, five. And we have four on the bottom. One, two, three, four. So that's five, six, seven, eight, nine. Uh-oh. Could this be the one to eliminate? Right? Because five and four makes nine. Five and three makes eight. Okay, well, let's see what the last card is. Right here, we know that's a five, right? Looks like dice. So we have one, two, three, four, five, and then we have three more. So five, six, seven, eight. Yes, this one survives. Number three, you are eliminated. All right, you are out of there. So if you said number three, you are correct. But listen, if you made a mistake, not the end of the world. If you're paying attention, doing your best, and you just learned from your mistake, then your brain is still growing, okay? What I want you to see about all of these guys is that the eight is all broken up into five and three more. So five, six, seven, eight. Five and three always makes eight. Okay, so yesterday we were having like super fun with our tree, right? We were putting leaves in it and they were falling, and that was like crazy, super fun. And we're going to have more fun today. So, but I wanted to make sure that you had these answers. So, did you get, when you had four leaves and two of them dropped, there should have been two left. Okay, so four leaves. Let's put four leaves up here. Sorry, that always happens to me. One, two. Probably shouldn't have colored the tree. It makes it a little bit camouflage, but that's all right. All right, so we have four leaves. If I drop two of them, woo, woo, I still have two leaves left. So that should have been a two. And if you have six leaves and four drop, that also leaves you with two. Okay. On this page, if you have three leaves and one drops, that gives you two. If you have six leaves and three drop, that leaves you with three. If you just have two leaves and one drops, that leaves you with one leaf. And if you have eight leaves and three drop, that leaves you with five. Okay? So you could always use your fingers as well. Fingers are awesome for doing this. Okay? So there's your answers from yesterday. So let's look at today. And by the way, boys and girls, you can always play with that tree. That's a fun, great way to do addition and subtraction. So look, let me get the tree back. You could do, watch this. You could do, all right. So you have your leaves down here, right? You could go like this. You could go, all right. So if I have two leaves, no, if I have three leaves and I add two more, one, two. How many leaves do I have? Well, I have one, two, three, four, five. So 3 and 2 makes 5. And then you could say, okay, well, if I have 5 and 2 of them drop, I have 3. So if I have 5 and 2 of them drop, I still have 3. So you can do addition and subtraction with the tree, and you can see how addition and subtraction are connected, related, right? Okay, so have fun with tree, right? Okay, so let's get into today's work. It should look like this. It should say Tuesday word problem. All right. What I need you to do is to take out your connecting cubes. They look like this. You don't need more than, let's say, you don't need more than 9. Okay. And they look like this. They're in your math bag. Okay. So take those out. All right. And when those are out, then come on back. All right, so these are your connecting cubes, okay, and you should have them in the math bag that your teacher gave you, okay? So you only need 9. If you have 10, that's fine, but we're going to use these to help us do subtraction today. Remember, subtraction is when we have either two amounts and they're different, and we try and figure out how different they are. Like I have 4 fingers here, and I have 3 fingers up here, right? There's one more finger up on this side, right? One more than there is on this side. So 4 and 3. So the difference between 4 and 3 is 1, okay? Or you have a certain number and you take them away. So I have 4 and I'm going to take 3 away and I'm left with 1. Okay, so we're going to be taking things away again. All right, so let's move me over here so I don't get too lost. And let's take a look. Let's move these off to the side and let's take a look at our problem. It says 6 butterflies flew onto a blanket. Okay, so here's our blanket down here. It's like a big 10 frame. Okay, it's a math blanket. Okay, just work with me. Then 2 of them flew away. Oh, that's sad. How many butterflies are left on the blanket? All right, so remember when we read a problem, we want to visualize, which means get a picture in our head or like a picture or like a movie of what's happening. So can you picture 6 butterflies landing? So let's put 6 butterflies on the blanket. One goes in each square like this. Okay, so we have 6 butterflies. All right, and if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. Okay, so we have 6 butterflies, and it says two of them flew away. So one flew away, and another one flew away. How many are left on the blanket? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. All right, so what did we just do? We just, where did I put my markers? We just said there were 6 butterflies, right? So we're going to write down 6, and 2 of them flew away. Now, it doesn't matter which 2 flew away, does it? Let's take this one. Flew away. Flew away. There's still 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 2 flew away. So 2 went away, took away 2. And that left you with 4. Okay, so you want to write down 4. But when we're using the number, the 10 frame, boys and girls, if you could, it helps you to see it better. If, like, so for example, I could have put the 6 on there, like, anyhow, right? I could have put it like that, at 6, right? Wait, that's 6. And that's 6. But if you could fill up the top first, because then you can see right away that you have 5, and then you have 1 more. And then when you take them away, take them from the bottom first and then go up here. And it just helps you to organize it better, okay? All right, so in here, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? We had 6 butterflies, and then 2 of them flew away. So we're going to cross out 2 of them because 2 of them flew away, and that left us with 4. Okay, so that's how we're going to do that. All right, so pause the video if you need to write that down. So we had 6 butterflies. And then we crossed out 2 because they flew away and left us with 4. Okay? Alrighty then. So, um, on the next page, okay, it says, this is your practice, use the 10 frame and your connecting cubes to help you solve the number sentence below. So you guys have in your math bag a 10 frame. Okay, it looks just like this. Oops, it's upside down. All right. And it says, so let's do it together. Okay, so it says 7 minus 5. So let's put 7. Let's still pretend it's butterflies. We'll put 7 butterflies. Okay. All right, do I have 7 butterflies? Yes, I do. Now I'm going to take away, it tells me to take away how many? I'm going to take away 5. So 1's going to fly away. 2's going to fly away. 3's going to fly away. 4's going to fly away. 5's going to fly away. How many butterflies are left? 1, 2. So I would write down 2 right here. Okay? So use your 10 frame that you have in your math bag. Okay? Use your cubes, and you're going to go through and you're going to do the same thing with these. So you would show 5 on the 10 frame, take away 2, and figure out what that's equal to. You're going to show 4 on the 10 frame, 4 cubes, take away 1, and figure out what that gives you. And then there's another page here. Okay? All right, boys and girls, have fun. You can always practice this anytime you feel like. If you and if you like the tree, then you can use that as well. Okay? Lots of ways that we can subtract. All right, great job, boys and girls, as always. And I'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.